Understanding end-of-range sale in English. Hello, everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore a common phrase in English, end-of-range sale. This term is often used in shopping and retail contexts, but what does it really mean? Whether you're learning English as a second language or just curious about this phrase, this video is for you. Let's dive in. The phrase, end-of-range sale, refers to a type of sale in a store where products are sold at reduced prices because they are the last items available from a particular range or collection. This often happens at the end of a season, or when the store is looking to clear out stock to make room for new items. The key points to remember are: end of range. This means the last few items from a specific collection or line. Sale. This indicates a reduction in prices. Stores hold end-of-range sales for a few reasons. 1. To clear inventory, making room for new stock by selling off older or seasonal items. 2. To attract customers, reduced prices can draw in shoppers looking for a bargain. 3. To reduce losses, selling items at a lower price is better than not selling them at all. Understanding these reasons can help shoppers know when to expect these sales and how to find good deals. Let's look at some examples. A clothing store might have an end-of-range sale at the end of winter to clear out coats and sweaters. A furniture store may advertise an end-of-range sale when they are discontinuing a specific sofa design. These examples show how the phrase is used in real-life shopping scenarios. End-of-range sale is often confused with terms like clearance sale or going out of business sale. While similar, they have different meanings. Clearance sale, this is more general. Not necessarily the end of a range, but more about clearing out stock for various reasons. Going out of business sale, this refers to a sale when a store is closing down permanently. That's all for our exploration of the phrase, end-of-range sale. I hope this video has been informative and helps you understand this common term used in shopping and retail. Remember, learning these phrases not only improves your English but also enhances your shopping experience. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.